Hi, my name is Ashley Storby, Agronomy Innovation Manager for Pioneer in southern Minnesota. I'm here today on September 2nd in a field just outside of Comfrey, Minnesota, looking at a couple fungicide timing applications. Here you see the blue flag behind me. This blue flag represents the break between a July 19th timed fungicide application. Then on the other side of the flag starts the untreated section of the field. And then you see the flag in the distance represents the switch to what is a July 10th timed fungicide application. Both application timings were sprayed with Approach Prima at the rate of 6.8 ounces per acre, and both applications were made with a drone. The difference in timing represents the July 19th, when fungicide application was starting to occur in this area, and then the July 10th application, the 9-day earlier application, was when our fungicide timing model indicated this field should be sprayed with fungicide. Example of an ear leaf from the untreated section. Here in the middle, we have what we would call the standard grower timing in the area, where most people were starting to think about spraying July 19th. And then 10 days earlier, we have our model indicated timing that occurred on fungicide application on July 10th. Now for a walking tour, currently we are in the grower timing application that occurred on July 19th. Okay, now we are transitioning to the untreated section of the field. And now transitioning to the model indicated timing of application. Important to know, the fungicide timing model is geared to help us understand when the onset of either northern cornleaf blight or gray leaf spot is happening in a given field. Now, in this field that we looked at today, the predominant disease was southern rust, despite the fact we can find other diseases here. However, this was most prominent. Interesting, despite the fact that our model is not geared to understand the onset of southern rust. Southern rust does follow the conditions that are favorable for gray leaf spot as well. 80-degree plus temperatures, extended periods of humidity. And from the outset here, we can see significant differences in canopy health with these fungicide applications staggered from the 10th, the 19th, and untreated. Looking forward to experiencing this more in our area, looking forward to harvest results from trials that we have across the geography this year, and looking forward to this tool being available to more Pioneer customers for the 2026 cropping season to help them optimize their ROI on a fungicide application. For more information, reach out to your Pioneer sales rep.
That concludes this Pioneer Agronomy video podcast. Visit our page on pioneer.com and follow us on Twitter and Facebook for more agronomy insights.